Okay friends, welcome back, and before moving on, I'll first like to thank you all for showing this awesome love and support for the channel and for the videos. So keep watching them and please subscribe and please like and share if you want. And so let's move on. So in this tutorial I'll be talking about a little bit more on this iron element thing, and I'll just talk about input validators. So to achieve input validators, it's quite the same input, and then again we have to mark this as an iron element, so we'll give it a is property with iron input. Okay, and so now what the patterns are to be allowed is to be given by us in this way, allowed patterns. Okay, so the allowed pattern attributes takes in the value that may be in the form of a range or maybe just a simple value itself that would be allowed to be input in the text field. So I'll just show you how to do this. So put in this square brackets and then just type any of the characters you want. Okay, I just type them twice. Okay, and so this is how this thing works. I'll just go and refresh. Okay, let's see what happens. I just try to type anything. Okay, so I made a mistake, and one thing that you have to also do out here is to just mark this so as to not allow any other kind of pattern. So we'll type in here prevent invalid input. Okay, so the prevent invalid input element present out here is set to now true, and so it will not allow any other pattern except of this part, except of these keywords or these characters. So let's go and refresh again. Okay, so now the web page has reloaded and now we are trying to type it. Okay, so this thing works again, allowed. Okay, maybe I just keep typing something wrong here and there. And now finally this thing should work. Let's see what happens. Okay, now when I'm typing something, I'm just not able, means the value is not getting showed up. And now if I just type any of the characters that we have specified in the allowed pattern, okay, we see that those things are being typed. But if I try something like a bracket, square bracket or a asterisk sign, we see that this thing is not working. Okay, so characters are fine, but then what if we want to do something like put in a range, like if we want A B C D and all, so maybe we'll have to type everything like A B C D E F G H, so and everything, and then we'll have to type in a capital A, capital B and all. So how to achieve that functionality, I'll just show you that in the next tutorial, and then we'll be finished with the iron input element, and then we'll move on to some of the cooler parts of the Polymer, and then we'll make our web app even better. So definitely stay tuned for the future tutorials because they are going to be very much fun, and subscribe to the channel, and thank you.